Everything here looks fattening. Oh, by the way, David here, and the project for today is visiting the Washington State Fair in Puyallup. Guy at this booth told me he's giving this car away. I told him to keep it. That was it.
Roberto, my grandfather gave me the name Roberto the Magnificent. He was a entertainer back in vaudeville. He was a juggler, and it taught me a lot of stuff when I was a kid growing up. And I remember some.
I'm so relieved that they have a security guard here at the bingo match. This is the ride that really scares the hell out of me. There we are at the horse wash. I bet that feels good, huh?
Yeah. Nice warm water. Feels better than cold food.
I wish someone would do that to me.
lighter than the other ones.
He's a steel gray.
Steel gray. Steel gray first try. Oh, you got that big. Got that big hooper of a nose.
Every time I hear the clip-clopping of hooves, I want to sing the Happy Trail song. In order to join the Army, you have to lift this 1,000-pound weight 100 times. I could do that if you take 6 of those plates off of there. This must be the famous red heifer. If you know the Bible, you know what I'm talking about.
Look at that face. You're doing good. Good job. Hey.
Hold on.
Hey, good job.
Guess those are for the people that pass out. Now what's going on over here? This looks like an Antifa convention. Look at all those black umbrellas. Okay, so that's the end of half a day at the fair. The food's pretty expensive. There's no water fountains. You have to buy drinking water at $5 a bottle. But they do let you bring backpacks of food and water in if you like. What's this?
Bye, fair.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.